I've got a small leak at the T-intersection here. As you can see by the corrosion, it's been happening for a while. A bit further down, I've got another T-intersection with corrosion happening there. That had been a leak, but it seems to have sealed itself. I'm going to replace that as well. I picked up some materials, a PEX cutter, 1/2-inch pipe cutter, some shark bite push couplings, and we'll get this fixed. First, I turned off the water. Then I cut out the section of pipe with the corrosion. I put towels in a bucket on the floor to catch the water still in the pipe. I used a razor to cut out any burrs inside the pipes at each point I cut. Then I sanded the outside edges as well. Then I pushed the shark bites onto each pipe end and measured how long the PEX should be. I then measured and marked the PEX. I used the PEX pipe cutter to get a nice clean cut. I then inserted the PEX into the shark bites. With the PEX and the shark bites in place, I'm going to turn the water on and see how we did. I checked each of the connection points for any leaks. And there you go, nice and dry. I put some insulation on the pipe and I'm leaving it open for a day or two to make sure the seals hold. And then I'll seal up the insulation.